What do rich people do for a living? Have you ever driven through an expensive neighborhood like this one and wondered, what on earth do these people do for a living? How can they afford these million-dollar homes, the luxury cars, the lavish lifestyles? We've all had that moment of curiosity, whether you're passing by gated communities or scrolling through social media, where it seems like everyone is living in ultimate luxury. Today, we're breaking down what these wealthy individuals actually do for a living. Spoiler alert, it's not just about trust funds and Hollywood paychecks. Let's start with some of the top industries where many wealthy people earn their fortune. And no, it's not all CEOs and movie stars. Some jobs might surprise you.
Welcome to the Frugal Aristocrat, where opulence isn't just for the elite. At the Frugal Aristocrat, we'll show you how to live lavishly and enjoy the splendor of luxury living without the luxury price tag. Here you will discover how to indulge in the finer things in life, all while on a budget. Join us and let's explore the world of affordable opulence together.
The corporate elite. Many of these luxury homeowners are in the corporate world. They're CEOs, CFOs, and upper management in major companies. Think about industries like tech, finance, and pharmaceuticals, companies like Google, Amazon, and Goldman Sachs. Executives in these industries can earn millions in salary and bonuses. But it's not just about titles. These individuals work incredibly hard, often climbing the corporate ladder for years or even decades. And in some cases, they've taken massive risks by starting their own companies. Entrepreneurs and business owners. Speaking of risk takers, a huge portion of wealthy individuals are entrepreneurs. They've built their wealth by starting their own businesses, from tech startups to franchise empires. The key here? Innovation and perseverance. For every success story, there are countless failures, but the ones who succeed often hit it big. Ever visited a successful restaurant chain or boutique store? Many of these business owners started small, often working late nights and weekends before their brand took off. Entrepreneurship is risky, but when it works, it really works. Real estate investors. Real estate is another major path to wealth. While many of us think of real estate investors as people who buy homes and flip them, the wealthy often focus on bigger ventures, like owning apartment buildings, commercial properties, or luxury hotels. The idea is simple: buy property, rent it out, and let your money work for you. The more property you own, the more you can earn. And some of the richest people in the world are big-time real estate developers, finance and investment experts. Let's not forget the world of finance. Many millionaires work as hedge fund managers, investment bankers, or venture capitalists. These are the people who make money by moving money, investing in startups, trading stocks, and managing huge portfolios for themselves or others. These finance experts are often masters of the market, able to predict trends and take advantage of fluctuations. It's a high-pressure job, but it can lead to some very high rewards. Athletes, entertainers, and influencers. Now, let's address the obvious. Yes, some of these mansion owners are famous athletes, movie stars, and social media influencers. But here's the catch. Even in these glamorous industries, most people don't make millions. The top earners in sports, music, and Hollywood are a tiny percentage: doctors, lawyers, and specialized professionals. You might be surprised to learn that many people living in expensive homes are highly specialized professionals. Surgeons, lawyers, and engineers can earn serious money after years of education and experience. While it takes time to build up this kind of wealth, their expertise is in high demand, which means big paychecks. These careers require long-term commitment, often years of school, training, and building a reputation. But for those who make it, the payoff can be huge. Generational wealth and investments. Now, let's address one more key factor: generational wealth. Some people in these luxurious homes didn't earn it from scratch. They inherited it. But even so, managing and growing that wealth requires savvy investment strategies and smart financial planning. Wealth that's passed down often continues to grow through stock market investments, real estate holdings, and family businesses. It's not just about having money, it's about making it work for you across generations. So, what do rich people do for a living? The truth is, It's a combination of many different paths, from entrepreneurship to corporate leadership, finance, real estate, and even creative industries. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. But one thing's for sure: building wealth takes hard work, smart investments, and sometimes a little bit of luck.